When you start exploring the world of app or web design, you will quickly come across user experience, that is UX. However, UX design is a long field, and despite its popularity, very few designers have an idea about it. So, hey listeners, this is Mindful Talks podcast. Welcome to the third episode of #Decoding UX. Today, we're going to discuss 10 major UX design principles that you can't miss. Many designers believe that UX design concentrates on the user, but using this principle in real life can be pretty challenging. So, what are the factors that UX designers should deal with while building a new experience for the users? Which rules can differentiate good products from bad ones? So, firstly, let's start with what is the UX principle. User experience design focuses on understanding user requirements, their need for a product, and their restrictions. The best UX design principles and systems facilitate user interaction quality, your product's concept, and created services. So now, let's start discussing the best UX design principles. The first principle is user-centric design. This design fundamental is about understanding how to use our empathy when making design decisions on a product. Designers always want to make the best product using their high standards, which can cause them to decide depending on their preference. But a good UX design should be customizable for users, which means forgetting your opinions and preferences. After all, you will design for the users, so their wishes, pain points, opinion, choices, and requirements are crucial. You must invest your time and effort in your users. The second principle is consistency. Users want products to maintain consistency with the products that they have earlier used. As consistency is crucial, designers usually move to design languages. A design language is a set of instructions for creating products for specific format or device. For example, you will need to follow Apple's human interface guidelines for designing iOS apps. You might need to refer to Android's guidelines or Google's material design guidelines for developing Android apps. The third principle is accessibility. Considering accessibility and design is one of the vital UX design rules. The designer must ensure that many people can use this method. Moreover, it implies that people may also use the UX design that features some flaws. As a designer, you need to ensure that there are no hindrances. The fourth principle is hierarchy. Hierarchy is another key UX design principle. Using this method at the initial design stage gives you several benefits. It allows the users to browse your app or website more easily and discover what they are searching for. The fifth principle is user control. User control forms in several ways in UX, but users usually have a great experience controlling their activities and using your product. A crucial part of user control is allowing users to correct their errors. For example, when a user starts building a new item like an event or email, a cancel button must let him leave the task. An undo button can also save them for reversing an unwanted or unintended activity. Another method of improving user control is helping more progressed users boost their efficiency. Keyboard shortcuts can help in this matter. Moreover, macros and templates can also help users achieve repetitive actions more effectively. Combining products and features can also help users move content, and advanced searching helps them discover what they seek effectively. The sixth major principle is context. Context is a crucial part of users' interaction approach with your designs. In this matter, context means focusing on the devices users can use to access your mobile app or web page. Furthermore, it focuses on how mobile browsing is major web traffic. The seventh principle is usability. Designers are cautious for several reasons regarding their design's usability. Creating better usability is the best thing to offer the users. It's about checking whether your users can do activities comfortably, your product functions properly, and it does its job. Your product may fail to serve the users if its usability fails. The main challenge for beginners is that usability does not handle black and white. Many design teams follow different rules of good usability. The main thing with this UX design rule is that beginners especially know the necessity and flexibility of usability in this. The eighth principle is animations. Animations are one of the best ways to please your users. They add moments to your website and give a real experience to the target audience. Animations can help the target audience know about a website's functionality if done correctly. The ninth principle is confirmation. Designers' main target is to prevent mistakes. When users unintentionally delete a product or make a payment, they get a poor experience. Needing confirmation for an essential or permanent activity is one of the best methods to resist such errors. The confirmation allows users to change or cancel an unintended act or think about something else. The 10th principle is storytelling. Visual storytelling makes a long lasting impression on the user and evokes emotion. Although it can strongly broadcast a new campaign or brand recognition, visual storytelling has other uses also. It can make data easier to include, like infographics. Moreover, it can amazingly approach user onboarding and enhance its learnability. So, these were the major 10 UX principles that you need to know for 2022. If you are looking for a UI UX design agency or a team full of experts that understands the rapidly changing market requirements, then visit www.mindinventory.com. That's it for today. We'll meet in the next episode. Till then, keep advancing.